Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all. Sure, here's a simple and friendly conversation between you and the hotel receptionist.
Good evening.
Good evening. How can I assist you today?
I have a reservation under the name, your name.
Great. Let me check that for you. Yes, I see your reservation. Welcome to Hotel Name. Could you please provide me with your ID and a credit card for any incidental charges?
Of course, here's my ID and credit card.
Thank you. Your name. Just a moment while I complete the check-in process. Is this your first time staying with us?
Yes, it is. I'm excited to explore the area.
That's wonderful to hear. We have some great local recommendations if you're interested. I've also prepared your key card. You'll be in room 305, which offers a nice view of the city. Certainly.
That sounds lovely, thank you. Can you tell me about breakfast options?
We offer a complimentary continental breakfast in our dining area from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can also order room service if you prefer to have breakfast in your room.
That's convenient. I'll probably have breakfast at the dining area. What time does checkout usually happen?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. If you need a later checkout time, please let us know, and we'll do our best to accommodate your request.
Great, thanks for the information. Is there anything else I should know about the hotel or the area?
Sure, we have a fitness center on the 3rd floor, and our concierge can assist you with any local attractions or transportation information. If you have any questions during your stay, feel free to reach out to the front desk.
Excellent, I appreciate the help. I'm looking forward to my stay here.
We're delighted to have you here, David. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I will. Have a wonderful evening.
You too, and don't hesitate to contact us if you need anything.